This is why you should book this Airbnb. First steps of making your espresso. First, you want to grab your ground coffee. Normally, you'd like it very finely ground. If you don't have a grinder, then you can go to your local coffee shop. For us, we go to Common Grounds, and they will actually grind the bag for you. You're going to want to do a double shot, and we're going to use our tamp, this right here, and we're just going to press down, grab a mug, and we are doing a double shot of espresso, so you just tap the button with 2. This espresso maker comes with its own gauge to let you know if the pressure is good for espresso. So here's our espresso. We're gonna fill up our metal cup. You wanna fill it up to about right where that kind of indent ends. You wanna switch it to the steaming mode. You're gonna pull out your wand and you're gonna want to go ahead and turn it on. This is called purging. This is just making sure that nothing is stuck up in the wand. Now we're gonna stick the tip further into the milk and put it at an angle so it churns it. You wanna do this for about a minute. You'll know when it's done when you put your hand on the side and it's too hot to hold it there for about 1 to 2 seconds. Once you're finished frothing your milk, you always wanna take a damp paper towel and clean that off. Purge it one more time. We're wanting to make a vanilla latte, so we're going to put a tiny bit of vanilla syrup in our espresso. That's about 2 to 3 pumps, which is what you want for an espresso about this size. This coffee bar is at our Airbnb. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath house. If you want to experience this Airbnb, click the link in the description. And